Hi, this is a quick introduction to our course that will begin tomorrow, the 2023. This is a summer course on Bob Marley. There are a number of videos that I've had lined up for you to review, as you can see from the syllabus, and it lays out exactly how the course will progress. Some of these videos are older videos, more recent videos, and so on. So there may be some references throughout that are not relevant, obviously, because they're not relevant for this particular course. But I wanted to introduce myself to you. I'm Dr. Kwame Dawes, and our course this semester is a self-paced course, and it will be largely driven by these video lectures, your own readings, and your assessment will be primarily through the journal entries that you'll be doing pretty much each day, so that at the end of the week you should accumulate a number of entries which are properly labeled and organized on the syllabus so you know what your entries are going to be about. I strongly recommend that you write your entries um, after listening to some of the videos, because some of the videos will give you a lot of information that will be useful for your entry. But your entries are really reflections on things that you've read, and of course things that we've discussed in these lectures and in these talks. I call them lectures, but of course some of them are quite short and some of them are quite long. So you'll see on the syllabus the length of the video, which will allow you to make your plans and to do your arrangements so that you can ensure that you can manage your time very efficiently. A couple of notes I should make about the journal entries. I recommend that you write these entries every day, and immediately after you've spent time with the videos and you've spent time doing whatever readings that you might be doing. And I recommend, of course, that you approach it in a systematic way, because I think it would help to make a difference if you do it on a regular basis. They're about 300 words each, 300 to 350 words each, and these are reflections. One of them is a pure reflection, me and Bob Marley reflections. Others, of course, will be very specific. There'll be film reviews, there'll be book reviews, there'll be article reviews, and so on, and record reviews. And these are reviews that have to reflect your own ideas and your own thoughts. So you should have thought through those elements. I'm going to rely on the videos and your response to the specifics of the videos for your entries, so that I can have a very clear sense that this is new material, that you're not using some AI mechanism to do that. Because, of course, one of the very useful things about these journal entries is that they give me a sense of your own learning and your learning progression as it goes through. The other thing I would say is that you would have there are a number of films that have recommended that you watch. They're not just mere recommendations; they are strongly suggested, and you have journal entries that have to be about those films. Again, personal reflections on the film, your thoughts about the film, detailed reflections on the films would be very important. The Harder They Come is one. The Bob Marley documentary called Marley, which is quite good, is another. And then there are several others that you can pick from. I've given you a list on the syllabus of possible videos. You can access these videos through Netflix. You can access them through other mechanisms that you have. If you're having trouble finding a video, then let me know and I'll see what I can do to assist. In order to keep you sort of abreast of in the spirit of being in an ongoing course, I strongly recommend that you can form chat groups amongst yourself. You can do that on Canvas and you can arrange that. And as the course goes on, we'll see what we need to do with regards to that. But I also highly recommend that if you have any questions, if there's something you heard in the lecture that you need clarification, do not hesitate to write to me. I will respond to it accordingly. So I want to welcome you. I hope you will have a good encounter with Bob Marley. I don't know if you've seen recently, there's been a trailer for a biopic on Bob Marley. This has been easily 30 years, more than 30 years in the making in terms of the conception. There have been multiple scripts, but it seems as if something is finally happening. The trailer looks wonderful, but it'll be interesting after you've taken the course, if you do watch that film, for you to see how the film reflects Marley's life, the Marley that you've come to study through his lyrics, through the history of Jamaica, the history of the details of his life, as I will describe them and as we'll explore them throughout the course. So I hope you have a productive and a useful time over the course of this semester. One last thing I would say is that there's going to be a final exam. Now, this is a course that we are organizing as a self-paced course, but there's just going to be one occasion where it will not be asynchronous. My hope is that we can do the exam on a single day. It is on the syllabus stated as a particular day. It's going to be an hour and a half that you will have to write to write an essay. This is the plan. If there's a problem there, if you look at the syllabus and you say this is time that I'm working or I'm in another country and it's a different time and so on, you can let me know and we can make other arrangements. But this will be the idea for it, and we'll see how things transpire at that point. Okay, so I'm looking forward to meeting you. The syllabus will have some hitches. There are going to be some hitches. There are some tapes, recordings that I have to record that have not yet been completed. So those are especially for the latter part of the course. And there may be some things that are not clear. Please be patient. By midweek, we should have everything straight. The syllabus will be exactly how it should be, and will reflect exactly where things are supposed to go. One of the things you'll find on my channel, my YouTube channel, is some of the numbering system for the videos may be a little idiosyncratic and weird. Just follow what is on the syllabus because I've tried to organize it accordingly. So hopefully you'll be able to make your way through that. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Again, my name is Kwame Dawes, and I look forward to our time together over the course of this semester. Bye bye.